This is the Montegrappa Fortuna Satellitare fountain pen. The pen comes in a green box. It has the Montegrappa logos embossed throughout the sides and top of the box. There's a Montegrappa plaque on the top in a metal silver color. The box has a hinge style lid which lifts open. The Montegrappa logo is on the underside of the box lid as well as on the ribbon here that holds the pen in place. A couple of standard international ink cartridges are included with the pen. There's a false bottom for the box with information about the pen and the warranty information as well. And of course we have the Montegrappa Fortuna Satellitare fountain pen. This is a non-numbered edition with only 80 pens made, so not a lot of these available, so they won't last long. It has this nice blue resin with some yellow flakes or different resin throughout the pen. So this is just a blue and yellow kind of color, almost looks like a gold color. Has silver trim on the pen. On the top of the cap is the 1912 Montegrappa logo. The traditional style for Montegrappa is to have a roller ball here at the end of the clip of the pen to get it in and out of your pocket nice and easily. The band is engraved with Montegrappa and made in Italy on the back, and just a plain resin on the end of the barrel of the pen. It is a threaded cap that will unscrew, and it posts nicely on the end of the barrel of the pen. Nice threads for the cap in the silver color to match the rest of the pen with a matching section. It comes with a stainless steel nib with a Montegrappa filigree pattern and a black feed. Since it is a cartridge converter pen, this section will unscrew, and there is an ink converter for bottled inks included from the Montegrappa. It's engraved with Montegrappa here on the top. Just a great pen. Fortuna is a great design by Montegrappa. They're made in Italy. Get your Montegrappa Fortuna Satellitare fountain pen at penchalet.com.